sijabulile la size ukuzokwenza into enkulu kabi. It's an official launch of our Uku Jazz. So we must be excited, all of us, because soon sizobe siye kojabula angithi. Let me start by introducing myself. Igama lami ngiuMatho wakwaShozi Isibongo. I'm the chief whip of the municipality of DJ Tomza. Eta DJ Tomza eta. Ningakhohlwa ke ukungifaka laphaya. Ey'ndabeni lezi zinto ezibhanyazayo ukuthi ukhona no DJ Tomza laphaya ku district municipality. Ngizocela ke ukubiza our municipal manager Mr. Vela Mazibuko asinikeze the purpose of i-gathering yethu namhlanje. Hey muhle nemshaka ihlombe nje ukuthi muhle. Guys. Angikho right.
Let me greet the program director and let me then appreciate your presence. For mine is just to share the purpose. Igama lami nguVela wakwaMazibuko. I am the municipal manager. The reason I'm standing here is to share the purpose. We are still popular with this event. Having went Mayor to our fellow colleagues at Mangaung, where we've also seen how Makufe is done, and then we realized that we're on the right track. We've got the vibe. Therefore, we are now introducing it to the partners of Uku, which is media. Uku Jazz Festival. It's back again. We are reiterating our working together with all the stakeholders. We are reaffirming, as the report will show, that all the stakeholders around the district will still benefit again. And the Uku Jazz Festival does not really belong to Uku, but it belongs to all the local municipalities. Because Uku does not have land. It is the local municipalities whom we are representing. So with those words, we are saying to everyone here that this is officially on by virtue of the powers vested upon me. As the administrative head of this institution, I'm now introducing this event.
Siyabonga kakhulu kusho ukuthi umsebenzi yakhe yabonakala kwi-community yaSogwini, hoping that abantu abazoparticipate, especially abantu ke laba abathanda ubumnandi bazozogwini ngoba ke khona ke inkonzo malanga. Siyabonga kakhulu I will then call Ukul Sounds uMr Msomi azosinikeza ke an overview of the jazz. Okay, asimnikeze likhulu ihlobo Mr Msomi eza ngaphambili ezosinikeza an overview of the Uku Jazz Festival. Thank you. Oh, not Mr Msomi, Mr Ngubani. Okay, my apologies. Okay.
Sanibonani. Igama lami Sandile Ngubane, from Cool Sound Trading. Ngizocela ukubingelela wonke umuntu okhona ngaphakathi. As far as the event is concerned, we are still committed to achieving our goals about tourism. Ukuthi silanda abantu bavakashe South Coast. We are still committed to achieving our goals about local economic development. Ukuthi senze event abantu bendawo abaqashwe, whether be it as marshals, hostesses, sound engineers, performers, every aspect of the event. We always prioritize our local suppliers and our local community members which are part of it, of the program. So wonke ama objectives sizibofezele this year ukuthi siwamithe. Ngicabanga ukuthi media gathering yethu yokuqala le ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ikhona into ezophinda idalulwe la isobe sesibona khona kuma details izinto ezino implementation plan. But okwamanje nje besithi simeme sisho ukuthi this year it is happening again, and the aim is to grow bigger. We have more partners on board kusazokhulunywa ngawo ngokuhamba kwesikhathi, and also to thank you for writing about us members of the media. Nisiphethe kahle kakhulu, and ngiyasijabulisa lokho ngoba kusinika ne-encouragement to carry on. To abaphathi bethu abasithulile ngalo msebenzi yabo ukuthi nisithembe, awulula lo msebenzi. I-environment operator kuyona inama-dynamics amaningi, but in closing, i-Ugu Jazz is happening this year on the 27th of March. Let us all be loud about it and tell our friends and friends of friends. 27th of June. Yeah, anyways, yeah, so I think in a nutshell, without going too deep, we local, but thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mbovu. Asimpinde Mr. Mbovu. Yazi bengithi Mr. Mbovu uzothi asithi yeshwi noma nje ngethuzana. Awu wasincisha. Uyabo kodwa ke siyathemba ukuthi ke next year sizokhula, but we are very excited Mayor and MM ukuthi indlela ezobiyona idom yethu ongaphandle uyabona ongaphakathi uyabona ongaphandle. There is one hotel in Johannesburg. I forgot the name of the hotel. La ubona inkanyezi muhambe busuku kune there is casino. Muhambe kune inkanyezi ngathi semini uyakhohlwa uthi yibo uwani uma restaurant akhona wavala. So ke silandile egolize la isokwini. Siyabonga kakhulu baba kakhulu sounds. Ngifisa ke ukintroduce our deputy mayor khona ezosibingelela umama ke uNciki. Siyabingelela mamnciki nathi sicela usibingelela.
Sanibonani.
Thank you. We are expecting you, Deputy Mayor, ukuthi ulande bonke umama from your area ezilalini ukuthi baqale bajoin event leyo qala bole umthandazo yabo. Yeah, sikunikeza lo msebenzi. Si introduce our mayor baba ke usikhumbuzo Mkhathi.
When people come to Ugu, they are not only attending a festival, they are experiencing our coastline, our culture, our warmth, and our potential. And it is through these experiences that we continue to position Ugu as a destination of choice. To our partners and stakeholders, we extend our sincere appreciation. Your continued collaboration and support are instrumental in ensuring the success and sustainability of this initiative. To the people of Ugu, this festival belongs to you. It reflects your spirit, your resilience, and the progress we are making together as a district. And to our visitors, we extend a warm invitation. Come and experience Ugu, a district defined by opportunity, culture, and unforgettable experience. Let us come together once more on the 27th of June 2026 to celebrate music, unity, and the continued growth of our local economy. I thank you.
Kodwa zibe incane lezo zandla from the mayor. Imessage emnandi kangaka. Siyabonga kakhulu. Let's get ready. Uzilumete. There is also hiking, boot camp. So kusho ukuthi ama-tides ethu yabo. I don't know what are we going to do. So bona God, yeah. But we can't miss that opportunity yabo yokuthi sibe nje the experience of what is happening. Uyayibona sister as from today ngiyajima. Khona kuzoba neli-tight. Uyayibona. Siyabonga kakhulu bamayor usikhulumele kahle. Hoping that wonke umuntu ke will be part of the experience emnandi kangaka Ugu Jazz. We are bringing back that Ugu Jazz. This time we will make sure. Sicela ke ubaba ke umsoma delegate from Cool Sounds, someone who's going to give us highlights about the festival, so that sizokwazi ukuthi is DJ Toms a part of the lineup or Mrs. Simpson ungilobhisheleke ufuna ukungena ku lineup yabo ngibo DJ Toms awusuka manje kana ngishaya ihlombe nje ngishaya izandla nje guys. Oh, it's Friday today, what's wrong with you? Yeah, uzokukala ke dokotela ungithengele i-tracksuit. Yeah. Nomdai, over to you.
Ngilele kakhulu ama-artists ke, ladies and gentlemen, esinawo. We are starting from Ugu Jazz Festival. Sizothola i-press release next week ezobe sidila ne-worship experience kanye igaladina. Namhlanje ngoba size ngwesingayo ubaba wethu Ugu Jazz Festival will pronounce ama-artists akhona. It was not easy this year. I-jazz, we understand ukuthi our legends awasemaningi kakhulu. Awasemaningi obaba uKhefas abasatholakali, basafuna ukutravela ngenxa ye-age. So we looked at i-market, ukuthi i-market as much as idinga ama-legends, kodwa kufanele sikwazi ukuthi ibhalansise with izinto ey'funa ama-2000. So i-lineup yethu yokuqala ikhombisa lokho ukuthi we've collaborated, we've tried to fuse in namanye ama-artists labasemancane. Hence, i-legend yokuqala esinayo esikwazile ukuyithola ongangenanga ukutravela ubaba uDon Laka. uDon Laka bengicela IT uDon Laka uyena wokuqala ozoba khona ozobe edina kakhulu ne-jazz. Baba uDon Laka simazi sonke. Bese kwakhona the second artist uSiphokazi. uSiphokazi wase-Eastern Cape uzobe ekhona naye umama uSiphokazi uyena ozobe ekhona as enye legend yethu kwi-jazz. Then bese moyo ngcwele bese bakhona ubaba ngoba we are known as South Coast ukuthi it's an area that is dominated ehlanganisa wonke ama-races. So asikwazi bese siba nje nathi sodwa. So ke sizamile ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola u-Annie Smith. Annie Smith uyaphila-ke kuma then bese siba no Mondli Ngcobo. Bese siba no Mondli Ngcobo. Mondli Ngcobo ke is like indodana yase South Coast kwi-Ugu Jazz. Esakhula ukhuliswe ithina lapha kwi-Ugu Jazz. Ukhona naye simazi ngale ngoma zakhe lezazi ulicula nalo wasise ngeke ngibize ngegama. Kodwa ke naye ukhona uMondli Ngcobo. Then bese kuba khona ke umnqobi yazo sinomnqobi yazo ozobe ekhona naye simaze ngamaculo othando. Bese mase siya ngapha kule genge yethu le ndala encane sibe nozawadi Yamugu owala eKZN ucula lo mculo lo deep kakhulu odinga ukuthi ujule kakhulu ulalela. Bese bakhona ledi aphiwe wama 2000 bese bakhona nomawelele ngithe uma ngisho lengane zami nje ukuthi kunomawelele zazi nazoba khona ngathi shwele Nkosi. So kwenza kanjani ukuthi ngikhule kakhulu khona abantwana bami, kodwa ke into esingayenza kuba we're trying to kunabo izingane zi-enjoy lento zi-understand ukuthi le project yabo lo South Coast. Bese bakhona uDanya naye owaziwa kakhulu kubona ama-2000. Bese siba noBongani Nkwanyana oyi-legend yase-KZN ye-jazz. Sibe noKhetha Olified osuka ngapha eGcilima ngase udume kakhulu nje uKhetha Olified naye omunye umfana okhulayo kakhulu ngezinga eliphezulu. Naye uzobe khona ngale. Bese bekhona uDJ Jikeleza owaziwa kakhulu kuma-jazz clubs akhona la eThekwini, naye uzosiza ukuthi ajoyine i-crowd esiyidingayo yama-jazz clubs within the province ukuthi abe khona. Bese bakhona u-101 uzobe se-specialize kakhulu ngalamaculo lawa, yabona lawa sijayisa ikwaito ekudala yabona le kwaito yamanje uyakwazi u-101 ukuthi ablende kalula. Bese bakhona noFunny Dick naye is one of o-DJ abadlala kakhulu kulama-jazz clubs kanye no-DJ Kent. So ibona-ke ama-artists esinawo manje kunenye surprise announce next week esingafuna ukisho manje basifuna nje every week lokho sinidedela ngeinformation lokho sinidedela ngeinformation so next week kunenye legend ezongena bese nikwazi uku-communicate ngayo so ke siyabonga kakhulu kuyona artists esinawo for i-jazz festival kwi-worship experience as we have alluded earlier on we'll send i-press release week after next week ezobe sisho ukuthi i-worship experience izoba kanjani but nayo worship experience media houses siyacela lokho siyacela ama-gospel artists ukuthi akuyona i-festival i-worship experience siblenda ama-gospel artists nabefundisi abambalwa ngoba kwethu ku-worship bese bakhona that word of God so ke akuyona kakhulu i-festival yaswajwayele ukuthi kuyaculwa nje kuyoze kusekuseni siyabhalansisa then eGaladina as ububa bumeya yesed ukuthi siyohlala phansi siyo-network there is an artist yena ke mhlawumbe by tomorrow Monday sesesimusho oyi-headliner yeGaladina kuzoba nje ngeke ngimbize ngegama ngoba sekwase ubekhona la eThekwini eminyakeni ezimbalwa ngimusho ukuthi ubalo yena uzobe umuya kwiGaladina uyolalela yena amaculo akho othando uyangena khona bese ufika nowakho ugqoke kahle i-black tie bese kuba khona i-3 course meal i-event nje kanjalo and few comedians khona i-comedian esegagasini namanye ama-comedians ambalwa azoba khona i-environment ezobe i-chilled kwiGaladina but okubalulekile u-network is to dayisa i-South Coast as one of the key tourist destinations so ngicabanga ukuthi from my side ngikwazile ukuthi ngiwakhave ngibonge kakhulu ke babumeya ngicabanga ukuthi program director oKeliyani ngikhave konke bekade kubalekile ngiyathola
ngiyabona ukuthi siyabonga kakhulu ke Cool Sounds entertainment ayizobe kufikwa kuzobe kubulalana yabona ke ukuthi Sifiso ugadeke ungamasheshe ufike yabo uthi ukudedela nje benza into zakho ngiphoxelileke because I thought at the end is going to mention DJ Tom Zameya kodwa ke ngaphinde ngajabula ngoba uthi izoloku ethi nje fahla eloku ethi fahla uyaba songena sinawo siphakathi naso ke isikhathi media engagements you are all allowed ukubuza imibuzo if you want to understand or nincome nje nizicommite nani if kufanele ngabe niyazicommite yeah asiqale kanjalo where is Miss Zimase angilekelele okay ngizonibona ke by show of hands vele nihlalo tabeni je kungabe ama-minute amaningi sithi ukuyibamba bamba ngizoqala my brother no yeah ngingahlala eduzane khona uzosilekelela ngizoqala my brother ukhona omunye okay young star my beautiful lady you're the third one ukhona omunye usitufuza ofana nami okay oh all right ayike so ivala ngawe isitufuze uphekwe ile nsizwa no asikale buti
ngiyabonga mphathi wohlelo igama lami nguSibusiso Wamlamba from Umthala TV igama lami nguSibusiso Mlambo from Umthala TV ngenhlanhla ngumuntu wejazz ngala inande bengine Maphisa Jazz Lounge and I'm a founding member ye-KZN Jazz Appreciators Association. My question ile ethi ngiyanizwa mina ukhuluma ngabantu that can make the jazz ukuthi cool. Bengifisa ukucheck ukuthi are you in touch yini mhlambe usiya are you in touch with the structures at jazz? I'm saying this because KZN Jazz Appreciators Association affiliate ye National Jazz Appreciators Association which is such a South African Jazz Appreciators Association abakwazi ukumobilize our jazz appreciators ama jazz goers from all over South Africa. So that is my first question. I remember mhlambe last time ngiye kwi Ugu Jazz Festival yayikhona leya problem ye traffic mase singena. As a result we had to park kojanyana sesamba sesiphethe ama cooler box ethu I distance ayinde. I remember ukuthi on that day futhi as well it was very cold. Usilayile Solode nje wayedlala engqanqazela stage, and I'm trying to check ukuthi seni nwabhekile nonke lo ma logistics ukuthi kungabi khona lama artists are unable to showcase inability yabo ye creative yabo because bebanjwa amakhaza. So nje I think you know, one alignment with the amateurs appreciators, two issue ye traffic, and then thirdly ile issue ukuthi kusuke kubanda singagodoli kakhulu. Siyabonga.
Sanibona, igama lami ufanele Bhengu la ngisoleza. Bengicela ukubuza la ngamathikithi ukuthi adayisa kanjani futhi abiza kanjani, nanokuthi lukhona yini uhlelo lokuthi umuntu uma ngabe efisa uku-attenda yonke imicimbi yomthathu athenge ithikithi elilodwa mhlawumbe ngemali ediscountiwe. Ngiyabonga.
Igama langu Khawulazi from the music side. Ngicela ukubuza nje la Mary, you did indicate at ukhuluma ukuthi there's going to be job opportunities for the young people. Mhlawumbe njengomuntu owazi leadership team, and there are people emakhaya abazothi siyazi ukuthi ubujeke ziphi. But we are not benefiting anything in it, right? As young people are sitting in like definitely about the pressure to we don't have job opportunities. Probably multi-job opportunities can elaborate ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. Mhlawumbe nanokuthi sekuniyenzile noma nisazoyenza ni-outreach ukuthi niyekubona nibazise ukuthi hayi bo umuntu ufuna ukudayisa afanele enze kanje ukuze akwazi ukuthi abenefite ngayo. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabingelela, igama uNoma wakaduma from Voice FM. Ngithanda nje ukubuza ukuthi last year we were very disappointed as a media. Sisukela we launch, we were here and senza ngokonke kusemandleni ukuthi we are pushing the event, but ngama last minute sathola disappointment enkulu mase sesibuza ukuthi okay ithini into that as a media kwatholakala ukuthi ama logistics awasahlangani, asamthola umuntu nje o direct ozositshela ukuthi yes inkinga ilana la. So nje sagcina sisale kanjalo, sangaya na kwi-event asangazi nokuthi inkinga ibe kuphi. Akekho owaphumela obala nje was-addressa as media, whereas angithi sasikhona sisonke la kwi-briefing, but mase sekwilanga lomcimbi akekho owabuya wazosichazela ukuthi inkinga ezikhona 1 no 2 no 3 okwenzakalani.
Ukubuza kwe-area no-FM ngikhuluma ngezivakashi ezizofika eGweni. Indaba yamanzi silungisekile yini eGweni? Sicela usithathe nje briefly kulokho ukuthi kuhamba kanjani in terms of water. Bese angazi noma iMiniStore, ngicela nichazele bandla uJazz Festival ne-Ofrem kuzohlukana kanjani noma sekuyinto eyodwa.
King Sibongo from Ilanga Newspaper. Ngithanda ukuthola ama-numbers manje sikhuluma ngama-stats because sibona abalulekile iwona sikwazi ukujaja ngayo if i-jazz iyaphumelela noma ishona phansi. If last year ngayakwazi uku-achieve i-target elibekile in terms of abantu abazohambela i-jazz, and what are the expectations this year? And okunye mhlawumbe ngicela ukwazi mhlawumbe economic impact ezoba khona ngale jazz lonyaka. Last year nanibalulekile ukuthi ilindele imali ethizeni ukuthi izokwazi ukudrive through this jazz. But this year, if you set up a target, then what is the target?
Director, umfowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu mfowethu lona usho ukuthi they are part of ama-jazz clubs. In fact nje that was one of the reasons ukuthi sibe nayo this briefing ukuthiwa namanye ama-collaborators. So it means ukuthi after of this meeting masiqeda thina we need to have i-one-on-one nabo lona sowazi ukuthi si-tap into that market leyo ama-jazz clubs sikwazi ukuthi sisebenzisane. So bameya ngiyathembisa ukuthi soxhumana nabo nababe-province sisebenzisane sikwazi ukufine tune indlela esenza ngayo. then bese kuba i-question landelayo bekuyindaba yokuthi ubaba uSilalo Seloda. Hey, yeah. Mr. Seloda, I think TK, when TK was presenting the overview project, he did mention that's one of the reasons even if abantu bethi they want ukuthi even open air, it says we understand your concern, but look at you where asikwazi ugamela iwe into zoba kanjani. Hence sinedome. Dome is expensive to install, but we don't have a choice. So respond kula ama-concerts abakhona ama-artist awakwazi ukuthi afika perform endaweni efudumele. So laba futhi ngaphandle bazobekwazi babekele i-screen bakwazi ukuyibuka. So ngeke kuzobe khona artist ezofika kwazi ukuperforma because of ukunetha nokuphepha kwama-tent. There will be no stretch tents to the dome nama-solid structures. Noma linetha izulu abantu baqhubeke ne-program. Then bese kuba ama-vendors vendors, we were working with local municipalities with Kanye South Coast Tourism, so we're getting in list vendors, I mean list ibona kodwa inathi khona ivethe soyenza to give opportunities to ama-vendors aqhamuka kuma-local municipalities from umuzwa abantu kuzofika eMdoni ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bekhona abazobenefita kule 3-day program. Then we made I apologize about at the end of the day even among the problem ungabaleki. I'm taking out your responsibility to do apologize. There were glitches last year, but this year Zimasa need to make sure in media logistics are attend and hospitality INZ. So here we are, it's gonna be a joint responsibility between ourselves as well as Ubu. Maybe challenges with our partners. Then when it comes to traveling and hospitality, then sisinokonga ngizophendula umbuzo yona lona amajobo awaminokunye or I think babamme mina lona ukuthi off ramp ne Jazz. No, Ugu Jazz is a standalone event. It's Ugu Jazz Festival owned by Maspan. Tina we are coordinators zayo, but ama build up events they are coordinated by Off-Ramp Experience, because Off-Ramp Experience is a project on Cape Town, but Ugu Jazz is only open. But the worship experience usazo ibona na Cape Town ibona na Free State, but Ugu Jazz will remain as the product yase Ugu District, owned by Ugu District Municipality. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngikhavile in terms of our numbers, good lucky. Last year our target was 3,000. So this year we are hoping for 8,000 or more with Ugu Jazz Festival. We worship experience with 3,000, we collect dinner with 3,000. So our target is 8,000 for this year for Ugu Jazz Festival. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngwakhave almost wonke ama-project. Ama weekend passes ngoba sinale collaboration esoba nayo no iTravel. So later information ukuthi ama weekend passes angaba imali okwamanje we still have to make sure ukuthi lo technical glitches siyawalungisa kahle nabo sikhiphe into eyi-1 ezokwazi ukuthi ibikhulume kule request ukuthi umuntu athenge ithikithi eli-1 azolisebenzisa for the entire weekend. Yabonga.
Yeah, thank you Mr. Msomi. Putin Tiwake Ugu Jazz is your baby, he's our baby. Abanye bazothi why Putin? Putin wala South Africa. Wasemakhaya eMzumbe.
Thank you Ngiyabonga, Honorable Chief Whip. Let me greet the Honorable Deputy Mayor as well and the Honorable Mayor of Mzwabantu. And nalabo abafike senkulme. Mhlambe ngicela ke mina ukuphendula le oqondene nomasipala. Since uba mayor qashe mina for amanzi. Ngiyakwazi ukuphendula. Mina kufanele ngenze umsebenzi wami. Ubuzo sisinokubonga. Okuza ke na last year. This is a very valid question. Futhi if bengabuzwanga, I was going to be very surprised because the first commandate here is to give people water. But I want to share with you mhlambe what will give you a picture. Endaweni that is supplied by the Popoi system. That is your place that is starting from Hippolyte up until the first half of Ramsgate. In that place it is supplied by a Popoi Mzimkhulu. we were only effectively supplying the southern side. That is the side that is starting more from Potchefstroom to Ramsgate. We had problems with the place that was supplying from Potchefstroom to Ipatin, that is the northern side. From that space up until now, we've improved the entire piping system that is providing that site. As a result, there is water consistency from that area. Go to the area from Ramsgate to Ezingole, from Ezingole up to Tuvugezi. You won't know that place that separated Abomzwabantu Nerenkonye. That place hardly had water in 2 weeks. We used to supply it with water tankers. Right now, we've upgraded the Mtavuna system, which we used to provide about 23 megaliters. Now it's provided about 30 megaliters because we've had the upgrade from ESCO. So nabantu basemakhaya bakozingolweni bathola amanzi. On the side that is supplied by Umngeni, that is your area that separates eThekwini up until the areas of Umthwalu. Those areas, because of the relationship we have with Umngeni, they've improved, and we are at least now able, which even on the areas where the infrastructure is struggling, but we still supply water even with the modernized boreholes. While there are projects that cost more than 600 million if you combine those projects. They are on the pipeline, they might be opened anytime. Meaning we are investing in water, but let me share with you this. If a wife has not received even isaka lempuphu endodeni yakhe, yazi indoda yaluza yonke credibility ekhaya. It doesn't mean ukuthi indoda ukuze iphinde ibuyise igama layo ayiphinde ibuyisele isakazana wempuphu. You must go an extra mile ize yothenga nembali imkhiphe out. What you are doing now is keep abantu out. Spice our church. Thank you.
Okay. Iwenzani usakangile namathi. Cha kona lokho usakangile nje. Ngana ngasikhathi ngisakukhulisa manje usuzenze ngathi uyisolezwe wena yourself. Okay. Joking mfowethu uyazi now. Mayor. Thank you.
Ngiyabonga. Bekukhona umbuzo ngicabanga ukuthi usalile kadadewethu. Othi uzalelwe ePotchefstroom. Angimazi ukuthi kuphi nayo kodwa Sunface. Ngicela umqadi ke lapha. Mkhulu siyabonga. Ngekwenza umcimbi wabantu abayela ngane ko 8,000 kuya 10,000 ungakwazanga ukwakha amathuba omsebenzi. Akhona amathuba omsebenzi azokwenzeka kuwo lo mcimbi esizowenza. Aqalile njengoba sila khona la ethimini kaSiya asevela khona amathuba aqalile. Amanye cishe ngoba yazi ukuthi lo mcimbi esihlangene ngawo ukhona nangonyaka ozayo. Ukusuka last year besevele khona. Abanye babo besiye nabo eBloemfontein siyobheka ukuthi kumakhufe kwenzakalani. Bevele bekhona kuleyo team baqhubeka bayasebenza. Uma uzoba nomcimbi ofana nalo usuka umuntu ofaka upetrol egarage ngoba kuzoba busy. Amanye amagarage ayababiza abanye abahlalisa emakhaya. Kusuka kumuntu osebenza ehotela, amanye amahotela nama-B&B abantu abasebenzi njalo. Kodwa kuleyo weekend noma kuleso sikhathi khona lo mcimbi bayabizwa babuye kuzosetshenzwa. Ikhona ne-delegation esiyilindele esuka khona eBloemfontein njengoba sasile ezobe ilala kwamanye kwamahotela njengazo izintatheli njengoba sibuza ukuthi zona kuzokwenziwa njani ngazo zizolala kuphi. Engicabanga ukuthi into ezolungiswa kulonyaka ekwamathuba futhi lawo avelayo emsebenzi kwabanye abantwana. Siyakhumbula ukuthi iCovid ke ikhona imisebenzi yayiqeda eminingi. Kodwa njengabantu beningizimu nohulumeni sizama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi yonke imisebenzi siyibuyisele esigabeni esithi u-pre-COVID ukuthi abantu babuyelwe imisebenzi yabo. Kufanele ukuthi njengomasipala kube khona esikwenzayo. Abe khona ama-events esizowenza njengomasipala. Akuyona yodwa le esizoyenza kodwa ngoba sizokhuluma ngayo le fanele sisho ukuthi maningi amathuba omsebenzi azokwenzeka. Amanye ngalo usuku le-event abanye basuke amaphoyisa esikhashana, ama-security begadile, abanye ama-artist impela esikhuluma ngawo imisebenzi leyo. Amanye sizowathola khona ekuhlaleni njengoba umfowethu lapha esazoxhumana noSiya babuzana ukuthi konje ngingayithola phi artist ewukuthi akubona kuphela abantu basogwina abathola imisebenzi ngokuthi khona i-event yalolu hlobo, kodwa nakwezinye izindawo namhlanje sibhizi la eThekwini, ubhizi la ekhaya namhlanje seqalile amathuba emisebenzi. Enye i-media launch siyakwenza ePortshepstone, kuyobe kubhizi kulelo hotel esiyobe sihleli kulona ngalelo langa. Kusho ukuthi akuthinteki kuphela iSouth Coast, kodwa sifuthi kube umsebenzi omkhulu nomcimbi omkhulu waseNingizimu Afrika. Kube ukuthi amathuba esizowenza ngelinye ilanga azoba permanent ukuze abantu bakithi bakwazi ukuthola imisebenzi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga, sibingelele nosihlalo weboard. Uyabo uma uvele nje wenza exactly umsebenzi wakho. Even lapho usuyasazi stats esishoyo ukuthi kuzoqashwa abantu abangaka, amahotela azothola ama-opportunities mangaka. Uyabo kuningi nje. So umeya sevele wakhava. Siyabingelela, siyabonga ukuthi namhlanje you are part of our launch. Kunombuzo owodwa ke ongaphendulanga Mr. Nqaku. Ngixolisa May ukuthi uphendule ngakaphendule Mr. Nqaku. Uqashile nawe.
No problem.
Yeah. Ngithe ungasiphoqi kodwa kuthiwa trafficking.
Nenzani ezweni?
Angibonge kumphathi wohlelo ngi-observe yonke i-protocol. Umbuzo okuyi-issue ye-traffic congestion. Sike saba nama-events amakhulu afana nalawo. Kubaluleke kakhulu nje ukuthi asibe nayo i-traffic management plan and i-success yayo edepende ekuthenini ayingabi complicated kakhulu, ayikwazi ukuthi understandwe abantu abaningi. Part of izinto esizobe sizilungisa i-issue ye-parking, ukuthi the field adjacent to the venue itself should be prepared to accommodate more vehicles. But in the absence thereof, we will also look into shuttle service. We've used it previously. It is working. It has worked. We are working together with the event organizer, Putina Kubaluleke kakhulu as Nkonyeni, working together with the district under both cooperative governance and intergovernmental relations ukuthi senze sure ukuthi events of this nature ziba yi-success based on ama-plans esiwabekayo. Asisebenzi ke sodwa, siyasebenza ne-Road Traffic Inspectorate. Siyabazi ke bathi senzani ezweni. Ngaphandle kokumosha isikhathi, we are guided by South African Police Services as a overall overarching role player to submit these plans. We'll make it a point that during the build-up sessions, I outline a traffic management plan where we are talking to artists ukuthi AP route afanele VVIPs, in fact all there is that category, AP route afanele but also members of public, because there are other things as on the day. We also understand that it is happening on a Saturday, last Saturday of the month, where it is busy. We deploy the maximum enforcement foot on the ground or feet on the ground to ensure that all our issues are attended to. We also encourage without waste of time, program director, that abantu abashayelayo bawuhloniphe imithetho yomgwaqo kakhulukazi bangaphuzeli emgaqweni ukuze siphephe singabi nama incidents amakhulu whereby uthola ukuthi event itself now isingamelwe yifu elimnyama kuthiwa kwenzekele lokho nalokho sibela khona into ezifana nalezi as much as si flexible but we may not then undermine the mandate to uphold and enforce the law, but we will develop a traffic management plan, not reinvent, we will improve to what we have put in place that has worked and been successful. Thanks very much, Stan.
Thank you, Mr. Ngagu. Mr. Ngagu, uyambona umbheki? Yeah, umbheki ku-traffic, umbheki. Ku-traffic. So, amathikithi.
Amathikithi generally is 250, then golden circle 350, and then VIP is 1,000.